Hi smart people, Mr. H here. This video is for a Math 1 student. I'm going to walk you through the Unit 1 practice test. Alright, there's 20 questions in total. We're going to go over one by one, and I try to keep the video within 8 minutes. Okay. Problem 1, we have 43 plus negative 40. So when you have positive and negative together, I mean they multiply, positive times negative is negative. So this problem basically is 43 minus 44. Which will give us negative 1. Same thing for the second question. Positive times negative is negative. So we have negative 41 minus 25. Since they both have this negative sign, we're going to add them. Same sign we add, different sign we subtract. So right now they're both negative, so you add them. That will give you negative 66. And that's it. Number 2. Negative 49 minus 20, same signs we add, so that will give you negative 69. Negative 12 minus negative 4, negative times negative will give you a positive, so it's a plus. 12 plus 4, which is 16. Alright, we're heading to problem number 3. To add fraction, you need the same denominator. So for this problem, they both already have the same denominator. So all we have to do is add the numerator. 7 plus 2 is 9, and keep the denominator, it's 11. 9 over 11. And since 9 is 3 times 3, 11 is a prime number, so we cannot reduce this fraction. That will be it. Alright, number 4. Subtract two fractions with different denominators. So what we're going to do is we need to find the LCD, is the least common denominator. Okay, so least common denominator is the numbers that can divide by both denominator. So that would be 12 in this case. So we're going to get the first fraction. We're going to turn the first fraction denominator to 12 by multiply 4 for top and bottom, and second fraction we multiply by 3 for top and bottom. So that will give you 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12. And then now they have the same denominator, we only need to subtract them straight across, which is 8 minus 3 will give you 5 over 12. And 5 over 12 is the lowest term. You cannot simplify this further, so that will be the answer. Problem number 5. So to add this to fraction, we need the same denominator. So least common denominator in this case would be 14. So you're going to multiply the first fraction by 2 and the second fraction by 7. That will give us 6 over 14 plus 7 over 14. Okay, then we add the numerator together. That will give us 13 over 14. And we cannot reduce this fraction. That will be it. Alright, the next problem. Order these numbers from least to greatest. So you need for convenience, you need a calculator for this one. We're going to turn all the numbers to decimal numbers. So 7 and 1 6. So basically that will be 7. 7.16 is 1 divided by 6. That will give you 1.66666 forever. So we round it up, it's around 1.7. Okay, because we round up our answer. You know what? We're going to keep it at this 1.6 with a bar on top. So that remind you that the 6 repeating forever. Okay, the second number already in decimal number, so we're going to keep it 7.76. The third one is also already in decimal number, 7.766. And last one, we're going to divide this, 57 divided by 8. That will give you 7.125. 7.125. Alright, so based on the last number, or the second to the last, they all have 3 numbers after decimal points, right? To make it convenient to compare all the numbers, we're going to rewrite them all in 3 numbers after decimal points. So this is 7.76. We're going to add 0 after the 6. This is 1.6. Since it's a repeating bar, that will be 1.66. Okay, so now we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So who is the smallest number here? Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and try it out really quick. So by looking at these numbers, look like 1.125 is the smallest number. You can think it as just pretending the decimal is not there, so you have 7,125. That is the smallest number. The second one, the second smallest number, is 7,166, right? 7,166. Again, as I say, that we pretend the decimal is not there, so we have the feeling of the whole number to compare all the numbers together. Okay, and the last two numbers, they both have 7.76, but because they stop, the second number stop right here, we have to add the 0. That is to make 60. The other one is 66, right? So 7,760 will be the next one. Okay, and the following one, or the last one, will be 7.766. Now, the numbers already in order from least to greatest. However, that's not the final answer, because that's not how they give it to you. They give it to you as 7 and 1/6, right? So that will be 7.166 right here. 7.166, which is this number, right? We have to bring it back for as the 7 of 1/6. 7.76, 7.76, so this is 7.76. Without a 0, we have to bring it back to the original form. And the next one is 7.766. So the first one came from 57 over 8. That is 7.125. You have to bring it back as 57 over 8. Okay, and that would be it for number 6. Number 7. To multiply fraction, you're going to multiply straight across. So we can do 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 times 10, which is 20. And we can reduce it by 5. That will give us 3 over 4, or 3/4 is your answer. That's it. So as we do this in class, sometime I let you know that we can redo this from the beginning, because 5 going to 10 is twice, and 5 going to 5 one time. So by doing this, we can see that 1 times 3, which is 3, and 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, we can reduce the fraction from the beginning. Alright, problem 8, mixed number. So be careful. Some of you may jump in and multiply the whole number together and multiply the fraction together. That will lead to the wrong answer. You need to write them in the improper fraction first. 7 times 3 plus 2. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23 over 7, times, do the same for the second fraction, so 5 times 2 plus 4. 5 times 2 plus 4. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14 over 5. Now, you can multiply straight across and then simplifying it, or you can reduce it right now, because I can see that 7 going to 14 twice, and 7 go to itself one time. Since 23 and 5 cannot be reduced, so that's it. We're going to multiply straight across to get our answer. 23 times 2 is 46, and 1 times 5 would be 5. We can take one step further. We can write this in mixed number. 5 going to 46 is about 9 times, because 5 times 9 is 45. So what is remaining is 1 left over, 1/5. 9 and 1/5. Alright, we're gonna pause the video here because it's already 9 minutes. We're gonna get back together on the next video for the next few problems. Thank you everyone for watching.